Welcome back to my channel. Poultry, thinking of starting a poultry business. Here's what you need to know. Find out some key steps to take before you decide to start production poultry on a scale. The safety and overall health of poultry operation owners and workers are closely connected to comprehensive farm enterprise well-being. Without a stable foundation in place for a newly built or purchased poultry farm, safety and well-being on the barn floor cannot thrive. To increase the chance of success, newcomers entering the industry must construct an organized plan outlining an acceptable poultry location, exactly designed and bullet barns, and well understood company contacts and a relationship with poultry company and health representatives. Behind this, there is a need for subtitles, financing for interval investment, upgrades, repairs, training, zoning and regularity based awareness, waste management system, financing for additional day-to-day farming demands. This list of requirements can be with exciting preparation to establish the foundation of individual farms stability and can become the base for overall farm health. Knowledge of the industry and training is critical for any potential to the poultry industry. The National Chicken Council states that in the United States, 95% of all chickens are reside in approximately 25,000 family farm, and according to the USDA, 97% of the nation poultry farms work with a big producer, with the four largest controlling more than half the chicken and turkey markets. The large companies are use a contract system that provides supply for product including chicks, pellets, feeds, and along with technical support to the independent farms, who in turn own the debit for the chicken houses and required to raise them. Toin Food State, we work closely with our farms, including regular visitors for our service, technical and animal welfare specialists to provide technical advice, answer questions, and best animal management practices. For new US producers, location is everything, and a facility study, rising placement of exciting suppliers, and key role players is essential. Generally, companies require new farm facilities to the close proximity to complex operations such as and feed mills. According to USDA data, a farmer in a geographical location near only on one supplier will receive on average 8% less gross income than a farmer located near 4 ingredients of poultry companies. This improves when two are nearby a gross income in that case in only 4% lower. Once a potential location is selected, new operators should decide building management and waste disposal plans with authorities and familiarize themselves with state local laws regarding zoning and impressive before processing burn and design in specific will vary by performance and will need to clarified with company contract before construction. Often and management with a poultry company will be required before financing can be arranged and construction can be begun. Building chicks houses from scratch is expensive.